Welcome back, guys. After reviewing Majority's first record player, the Moto, we are back once again to check out their latest updated version, the Moto Plus. So without any further ado, let's get into it. What separates the Moto from the Moto Plus is now the Plus means it doesn't have built-in speakers but two dedicated 60-watt external speakers, both with the same walnut finish as the record player. On the front of the Moto Plus you have a headphone jack plus two knobs, the first one for turning it on and off and volume control, and the other one for switching between the USB, aux, phono and Bluetooth input. The back is where you will find the power input, the phono inputs for the provided speakers or connecting to an external amp, and the aux in. On the right hand side is the USB input, a button for Bluetooth out, recording and splitting, plus all double as skipping and pausing when in USB mode. When it comes to the top of the record player, you will see the Majority felt mat, the switch for selecting between 33, 45 and 78 records, plus the adapter for playing 45 vinyls, the Majority logo over the solid wood construction, and the arm with the premium Audio-Technica cartridge. In the box you will also receive the power cable as well as the user manual. When it came to playing records, it was the same great quality I have come to expect from Majority. Playback was smooth with the audio sounding clear and delivering a decent bass experience. After testing out some vinyls, I then tested out some music on a USB stick, where once again it sounded just as good and had no issues at all. Another dope feature about the Moto Plus as well as the first Moto is the ability to record records straight to a USB drive. You can then use the split button to separate the different tracks. And anyone who likes a lot of bass, the Moto Plus not only has Bluetooth in but it also has Bluetooth out, meaning you can pair it with a set of active speakers such as the Majority D100s for extra room filling bass. So if you're in the market for a record player that delivers crisp highs, smooth mids and a good bass that won't break the bank, then I would highly recommend the Moto Plus, and at the time of recording it's only $139.99 and is also currently available in the US too. A big thank you to Majority for providing this for me to test out, and all the links will be in the description. And as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.